Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Red Hat OpenShift Cloud, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Red Hat OpenShift website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, locate the Try OpenShift button on the homepage. Click on the button to initiate the trial process. You will see various deployment options. Select the environment that best suits your needs. Choose between the web console or the command line interface for activation. If you prefer the web console, click on the corresponding option. Next, you will be prompted to choose a region for your deployment. Select the closest region to reduce latency during operations. After selecting the region, choose a cluster type based on your requirements. You have options for standard or dedicated clusters. Once you've made your selection, click on the Create Cluster button. Give your cluster a unique name that reflects its purpose. Review the available settings and adjust any parameters as necessary. After confirming your settings, click on Launch to start the cluster creation process. It may take a few minutes for the cluster to be provisioned. During this time, you can monitor the status on the dashboard. Once your cluster is ready, you will see a notification indicating success. You can now access your OpenShift console through the provided URL. Use your login credentials to enter the console. You are now ready to start deploying applications on your OpenShift cluster. Explore the features and functionalities available to you. Enjoy leveraging the power of Red Hat OpenShift for your cloud needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.